What's up? I'm John Vaughn. I'm the founder and CEO, believe it or not, of the software development firm Tier 5. And anyways, welcome to my stupid funnel page for my stupid membership site. This is my membership site, by the way. So I'm gonna try to make this really short and sweet. This is my membership site. Lots of free stuff in here. I say free, but it is going to cost you $1. All right. So if you want to get access to my membership site where I've put in a bunch of free software, I'm putting in a bunch of free training. There's all sorts of free training. There's all sorts of free software. I'm putting in what I believe is an amazing training on what I think is the most powerful thing and the most important skill in the entire world for life and for business, which is your mindset. So Mindset Superpowers is going in there, a lot of different case studies. Basically, all my content, all the training and stuff that I'm actually creating is going inside of this membership site. That's why I was singing that song. Anyways, it's $1. So if you want to get access to this membership site right here, where all this content's at, it's going to cost you $1. The reason that I'm charging $1 is because I know that there's information in here that is going to be super useful to you. I know there's also software that I've put in here. There's free software, also huge discounts and special offers, special deals that you can't find anywhere else but inside this membership site. All right. But I only want people who are actually going to take action. And I know all the people who aren't going to take action, they're just going to sign up for free stuff because they just like free stuff and then they never do anything with it. I know all those motherfuckers are going to be turned away by $1. They're not going to want to spend $1. So we're getting rid of those people by making you pay $1. All right. So you can scroll down below. You can see you can sign up for just $1, get access, get inside the membership site, get access to everything that's inside the membership site, be inside there. And then you can also see there's an order bump at the bottom for $9. You're not going to get anything extra. You're not going to get anything special for that $9. You're just literally donating an extra $9 if you want to pay an extra $9. I would love you a lot more if you want to pay that extra $9. And you never know. You never know. You might actually get something special. Now I'm just going to tell you, hey, you're not getting anything special, but you might. You never know. So it's up to you whether you take that or not. Thanks for coming to my stupid page for my stupid membership site.